Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome little binder that I have here. It is a 3-ring binder. I used it to download some schooling for my little one. It holds a lot of papers, if you can see. Plenty of papers. It's durable. It's nice and sleek, which is also really nice. I feel comfortable using this for schooling. I feel like it's going to take care of my papers and not fall apart on me, which is nice. So I like too that it has the flat feature of the 3-ring binder. So when you put in your papers, you can open it up and it opens nicely, and your papers sit nicely as well in the 3-ring binders. It also has these pockets, which is nice, and then the front compartment for you to maybe put a cover or something like that in it. So I definitely recommend this. I think it's great. I think it'll be very useful for you for whatever you need it for, and that is my point of view.